Luigi's basically thinking, Toad, you a little bitch, and your hair is a weave. A mushroom weave. You had somebody weave mushroom into your hair.
Alright, welcome back to MarioBros, who apparently was shit-talk Toad in his hairstyle. Ha ha! Toad got you back. He's like, yeah,
He's like,
I want you to lose, you fucker.
Oh, my hair's a mushroom weave? Looks like you got mushroom face instead of flower leaf. Oh boy.
I'm sorry.
For what? Laughing at the thing I said? Oh, I hit him. I need a fucking Karibo shoe. Oh god. Oh shit.
Oh no!
I'm taking that cloud, bitch.
Take it. Haha, you bluffed.
I shouldn't have warned him about my ultimate technique.
Alright.
Good luck on level 2, Jake.
I got a good feeling about this one.
Let me tell you. Pro strat.
Yeah.
Don't drop down.
I'm trying.
Go up the pipe.
Remember, I'm the one who did this the first time.
Remember, 2 turtles are going to drop down. 2 turtles are going to drop down.
Okay. What do I do?
Whatever you did last time, which, funnily enough, was panic.
Oh!
I
I wasn't even a part of that, but that just happened.
How are you going to get your 3 up?
Yeah!
Take the pipe. Take the pipe.
Take the pipe?
Yeah. That's where you get your 3 up. And then it opens up. You go up out of that one.
3
Plus a mushroom.
I did it. I did it. Justin, I did it.
Again.
I did it.
And now you just have to climb the spiral
Justin,
tower.
I did it.
Because if you get another game
I don't
over,
care.
level 2 resets.
No, I don't care, Justin. Don't spoil this for me.
Level 2 resets if you get a game over.
I made it all on my own.
You haven't finished yet.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm not even fucking with that. Okay, here we go. Start! Fuck! Alright.
Do over, mulligan.
We're gonna start! Card.
You got a card.
You got a card. Oh my god, it's finally over!
The name of this episode, Jake's Triumph.
The sweet juice! I got bags under my eyes.
Where'd you put those there?
I packed them in, flew in from Idaho.
And boy, are my arms tired.
Yeah.
I didn't get that joke for a long time.
You didn't?
No.
How can you not get that joke? That's
Because I always thought, oh, he flew in like in an airplane. I was completely devoid of humor. Ah!
And now you're the king, I guess.
Sure.
Whatever. Oh.
Remember when I called those fire-breathing turtles hot lizards?
Yeah.
That's funny.
Yeah, I guess. Oh no.
That's a... Da, 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 da.
All right.
I should have just
This is
ran,
it.
but I wanted to murder him.
It's time for the tower.
I can't remember if you can ride his cloud or not.
Maybe not in this one.
There's a game where you can. Good luck with the tower, Jake.
Fuck.
Good luck with that pipe, Jake.
Yeah, I got the pipe, and it's time to apply my skills that I've learned in level 2 to the tower. Okay.
Total concentration. Should have gone low.
Damn it! What's the P?
That's a P-wing, dude. It's permanent flight.
Seriously?
Yeah.
So you fly the whole time on only one level?
Mhm.
Huh.
And after that, you get to keep the raccoon tail.
Oh, that's nice.
Just gotta run from this jerk.
Into the abyss, you dingus.
Ah!
I have a bad feeling, Justin.
About what?
That number 4.
What number 4?
The number 4 that hangs on my lives.
Oh, okay. You think you're gonna get another game over?
No.
What are you worried about?
It might happen. Huh? Hashtag.
It's really not hard, Jake.
For you.
You should have just gone. Go now.
Damn it! Ah! God!
I still have neighbors.
I know. I'm sorry. Oh. It's 7 in the morning.
Good morning.
The air outside is crisp.
That's an apple.
And the squirrels get up for their morning endeavors.
Endeavors? What fucking endeavors does a squirrel have?
Nuts.
Nuts to that.
Oh. Justin, I feel like we both met our makers. Me in the tower and you in level 8.
I'm just waiting until you die again so I can go get another Karibo shoe.
No, it's not. You won't.
I would have to die. I'm just waiting until I die again so I can get another Karibo shoe.
Do that. Don't do that to me. I have to go through all those levels without you then.
Yeah, so get good.
Son of a cock!
Get good, Jake.
I'm trying to get good. I'm trying to channel my inner spirit. You told me to develop my chi. Or harden my chi. I've tried.
Balance it.
Balance my chi.
Tell me to get hard with my chi.
Get hard with the chi. That's exactly what you said. You can't say more.
Oh, that's not gonna happen.
But yeah. And I don't know how. Because it helps with hiccups. But whatever.
That's true. Did you master that?
Nope. Never did.
Why not?
I don't know. Oh.
He's so hard.
Justin.
I'm about to use a P-Wing.
Yeah, I'd do that.
And I can just gently land on his head. No, he throws those up, so it would hit me and I'd lose my P-Wing.
That's true. Here we go.
Why don't you use your P-Wing?
I got none.
Need that.
Ha ha. No! I was cool. I was zen. I was centered. This game is just tearing apart. Oh, you used Pewing. Yeah, just fuck this guy.
He's so fast.
He'll follow you all the way to the end, you know.
Yeah, and then he'll die when I get a card. Oh god. What has happened?
Mistakes were made.
Oh, he killed my P-Wing. I can't even kill him.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me with this.
There's
No.
another one. Give me that one up though.
It's only one up with the flower?
No. If he has enough babies
Balls.
on the map.
You did it!
I got the flower, but I didn't get.
Wow.
He needed one more baby for me to get one up.
You needed what?
If you had one more of his spiky babies on the map, then I would have got a one up for killing them all.
Okay, well, you did your thing, so now I gotta do mine.
I did use the most powerful power up in the game.
Yeah, you did do that. Okay.
Jake, don't let those disco balls tell you what's what.
I got it. Oh my gosh, I have a mushroom and I'm on the second floor. No! No! Go back up to the first floor.
Why did you do that? Jake, oh my god.
Shut up.
Oh. Thwomp. Go.
Got it.
Watch the second thwomp.
I see him.
Thwomp.
I got him.
Go.
It's time. Oh.
Okay, watch out. Not all that glitters is gold.
Not all that glitters is gold. Ha! ha 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 ha.
You're halfway done.
No, God.
Watch that thwomp.
Watched him.
Do a baby jump. Yeah.
I got it.
You owe me $5.
I do. Eventually.
No, right now you owe me
I
$5.
figured out it is the globe.
Oh, those are nooses.
It is the globe thing or the nooses or whatever. I don't care.
Alright, you're 3/4 done. Just breathe, baby.
Yeah! Slick old moves.
Those are some old slick moves.
Okay. This is it. This is it. Oh my gosh, this is it. Oh my gosh, I did it. Oh my gosh, I did it. Justin, I did it. Justin, I did it.
You
I
made it up the spiral tower.
Oh my god, I did it. I'm sorry. I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
My neighbors definitely think I'm gay now.
Oh boy. Oh, this is the best thing I've ever done. Get my mother on the phone. Let her call in.
Hello, Jake's mother. It's 7:11, 8 a.m.
Yeah, no, she's not up. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Good work. That's a tricky one.
That's a tricky one.
You can jump on his head, but
Nope.
he breathes fire, so if he shoots it at you as you're falling, you're done.
Son of
That's what I described.
You asshole.
You got him.
Ass clown.
Another one spawns.
That'd be a hard level.
You're right, I'll get it one try.
Alright. Want to double or nothing that $5?
No.
That's what I thought. Bitch.
Damn, why so hostile?
Because I'm mad.
Were you trying to give cheap temporary living arrangements in the third world country?
Yes?
Why are you being such a hostile?
Man.
Fuck!
You should have shook your hand.
No, I didn't want to do that.
Oh. Oh no.
0 lives.
No.
You could go to 6, it might be easier.
I could try that. Did you trick me?
Oh,
You tricked me.
It's an auto scroller.
Oh.
Oh, you can stand on those, and they fly upwards when you're on their head. If you stand on his head, he flies up.
Oh, okay.
Don't hit him from the bottom, though.
No, no, no!
Hey, have a good time at level 2, man.
Oh, God, just beat this world. I'm over it.
I'm over this world.
Holy shit, dude. I don't... No. I was so happy I triumphed.
Yeah, that's what you're experiencing.
Now I'm just sad. Oh.
I don't know how to do that.
I don't want to go to level 2 anymore.
You have to. That is all there is to your life.
No, it's gotta, damn it.
The only time you've beaten this level is when you've taken the high road.
No! No! No!
And it gives you like a 30-second fall to regret it.
No! Dang it! Oh my god! Screw this hole! Damn it! Dang it! Oh! Oh! Okay, I got it. Got it. Damn it! God. No! No! Oh! Oh! Ah!
I can't get the jump on this one.
Just do it.
I can't, dude. You just took my
Fly,
P-wing.
I wish you could be up there in the clouds with you. Just give me some nice.
How do I? Oh.
Yeah, it'd be real nice up in the clouds.
But now these angry bowling balls are coming hard at me.
Pheasants on the floor. Angry bowling balls.
Jake, you look kind of tired.
You look a little stupid.
Enjoy level 2.
This is it. This is it, man. This is it. This is the last. This is the last of this one.
Where?
Okay.
Damn it! Fuck it! I'm done. This is it. I'm done. No. I'm done. No. Give it back. I got it. No, I have it. Give me the controller.
I have to save you.
Give me the controller. Do not save me. No, give me the controller. I can do this. I can do this on my own. Justin, give me the controller.
I have to save you from yourself.
I would have done that too.
I believe you. Whoop. Nice shot.
You got that coin even though he hit it?
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's cool.
Would you have done that too?
No.
This motherfucker's holding it.
Motherfucker, be waiting. You're done.
Oh god! Wait, it's me.
Fuck it. No. Just forget it. That's it. Next time on MarioBros.
We can't save this.
What do you mean we can't save this?
This is the SNES version. There's no save function on this one.
We can keep going. We can't keep going, man. I'm gonna die.
If we stop now, all our progress is gone.
Alright, fine.
We have to beat the game.
Alright, but still, we gotta come back. Next time on MarioBros, we tackle more Mario.
We tackle more Mario.
Maybe I beat level 2 again.
Maybe we see the
Woo!
alternate ending to level 2.